Looking on fake number with the hockey tape number 1. Ow, one of those. No icing, no icing. Probably was icing, but I'm not calling it. Boys, if you're within 2 feet, I'm calling them goals, so let's go. That puck's coming around the boards, I can't get out of the way. I got a few reflexes. Man, he had you wide open, Sambo. Boys, I don't know what this means, but 4 minutes into this game, all the rings on my iPhone watch just went ding, ding, ding.
Sounds like that's your quota.
Hang on, it's all right. We got a gate open there. Yeah, let's just go. Who cares?